Are you looking for the top 5 best washer-dryer combos for small spaces? Struggling to find the right washer-dryer combo for your small space? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Majoko Portable Clothes Dryer. Let's kick things off with the Majoko Portable Clothes Dryer. Priced at just $51.99, this compact dryer caught my attention for its unique fast-drying technology. If you want a portable solution that actually works for your laundry needs, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Majoko dryer can handle up to 9 clothes at once and dries them in as fast as 50 minutes. That's a major time saver if you're tired of waiting for clothes to air dry or dealing with a bulky dryer that takes up too much space. Plus, its built-in LED UV feature ensures your clothes come out clean and fresh, which is something you'll appreciate if you're prone to allergens or just want that extra peace of mind. Now, some people complained about the dryer's size, saying it might not be suitable for larger loads. Here's the thing though, if you're living in a small apartment or traveling, this compact unit is a lifesaver. It's perfect for quick drying when you don't need a full-size machine. This is perfect for you if you need a lightweight, portable dryer for small spaces or travel. Skip this one if you have a large family with hefty laundry needs.
Product number 2, Costway Portable Washing Machine. Next up is the Costway Portable Washing Machine, priced at $159.99. This twin tub machine not only washes, but spins clothes at the same time, which is a game changer for efficiency. If you want a compact washer that can handle a decent load without breaking the bank, this one's worth checking out. With a total capacity of 26 pounds, it can wash 18 pounds and spin 8 pounds simultaneously. This means you can do more laundry in less time, which is ideal if you're busy or just want to minimize trips to the laundromat. The 280-watt washing power ensures your clothes come out clean quickly, and it operates quietly enough not to disturb your neighbors. Honestly, it's a solid little machine for tight living spaces. Now, some users pointed out that it doesn't get clothes 100% dry, needing some time in the sun afterward. But I'll be real with you, if you're in a pinch, this is still a super convenient option to have at home. This is perfect for you if you need a dual-function machine that's compact yet powerful. Skip this one if you need a dryer that can handle large loads without additional drying time. It's a budget-friendly option that offers great value. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those.
Product number 3, Uhomi Portable Dryer. Now let's talk about the Uhomi Portable Dryer, which retails for $199.99. This little powerhouse can hold up to 10 pounds of wet laundry, and it's designed for those who really want a quick drying solution. If you're seeking a reliable, compact dryer, this one deserves your attention. The Uhomi dryer features a stainless steel drum and operates at 850-watt power, reaching a thermal peak of 140 degrees Fahrenheit. That means it's not just fast, it's effective too. You can choose from different drying modes based on fabric type, which is perfect if you want to avoid damaging delicate items. Plus, it's lightweight and can be wall-mounted, saving even more space in your apartment. I genuinely found this design thoughtful and user-friendly. Some users noted that it can be a bit noisy during operation. However, here's the thing, it's still quieter than many traditional dryers and operates well enough for the convenience it brings. This is perfect for you if you need a space-saving dryer that's efficient and has multiple settings. Skip this one if you're looking for something that can handle larger loads without noise. For $200, it provides solid performance and convenience. If Uhomi's noise didn't bother you, the next one on this list takes quiet operation to another.
Product number 4, Costway Blue Portable Washing Machine. Next on our list is another variant of the Costway Portable Washing Machine, costing $189.99. This compact washer offers a twin tub design just like its predecessor, but with a vibrant blue and white finish that's super appealing. If you're looking for a stylish yet functional solution for your laundry, this might be it. It has the same impressive 26-pound capacity, letting you wash and spin at the same time, which is a time saver if you're juggling a busy schedule. The transparent lid allows you to easily monitor your laundry cycles. You'll know exactly when your clothes are ready. I really appreciated this feature, especially when I'm multitasking. However, some customers mention that it can be difficult to get the spin dryer working effectively. But honestly, as long as you follow the guidelines for load types, this shouldn't be too much of an issue. This is perfect for you if you want a colorful, compact washer that performs well in small spaces. Skip this one if you need a fully automated option that does not require hands-on attention. Given its price, you're getting a reliable machine that won't take up much space. Now, if the costway option...
Product number 5, Giantex Portable Washing Machine. Last but not least, we have the Giantex Portable Washing Machine, priced at $135.99. This model is designed to be incredibly user-friendly and efficient for small spaces. If you're looking for something lightweight that's easy to operate, this could be your go-to. The Giantex has a 20-pound capacity, allowing you to wash 12 pounds and spin 8 pounds at once. It's compact yet powerful enough to get the job done efficiently. The maximum washing time is set to 15 minutes, which means you can quickly freshen up your clothes without spending all day at the laundromat. I was genuinely surprised at how well it performed considering its size. However, some users noted that it might require some manual oversight, which can be a hassle. But I think for the price and the space you save, this is a minor trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want an easy-to-use machine that saves you time and space. Skip this one if you prefer a fully hands-off approach to laundry. At under $136, it's a great value for anyone needing portability. And
To quickly recap, we've looked at the Majoko, Costway Portable Washing Machine, Uhomi Portable Dryer, another Costway model, and the Giantex Portable Washing Machine. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Uhomi Portable Dryer because it offers the best combination of efficiency and space-saving design. On the flip side, I'd avoid the Costway options if you need something that requires less manual input. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know